Okay, first thing I heard was had a lot to do with the throat. So, a lot of you have not spoken up or decided to keep a lot of things bottled down, and it has started to affect you emotionally. We've got the King of Cups, and that has led to Five of Wands. The internal conflict is just increasing, and what this is leading you towards is an imbalance between the masculine and the feminine within. We've got the Lovers here. So instead of focusing on the problem, let's just focus on what do you need to do about this. Okay, we've got the Empress, which is Narani in this deck, Five of Cups, and the Tower. Interesting. What I get from this is, even though this part of your life does not involve you confronting someone, but it has a lot to do with you sitting down with yourself and just even mentally having that conversation, if that makes sense. So even though you don't physically go ahead and have this talk with this person that is involved, which has led you to, like keeping the feeling and everything inside, sit down and have this conversation in a way where you think they are sitting in front of you and you just talk. Even that will start the healing journey, at least, because we've also got the Page of Cups. So there is some element of an apology that you feel is owed to you, which you are not wrong. Yeah, see, we've got the Page of Swords and Ace of Wands. So that other person who owes you an apology, they are aware that they owe you an apology. But what I get from this is it might not come to you anytime soon. Ace of Swords. Also, the perspective that I get from this is because we've got two aces, and in this scenario, it feels like you owe yourself the bigger apology for tolerating the naive and immature behavior, because we got the two pages as well before the aces showed up. So when we focus on just the self side of it, it has a lot to do with you accepting first that you allowed this individual to treat you, first of all, in the way that they did. Second, accepted that treatment as what you deserve, or the what is that the level at which you deserve to be treated, if that fits. Because your subconscious, your conscious mind as well, I guess, knows how you deserve to be treated. Otherwise we wouldn't have had the Lovers here as well, because there was some sense of balance between the masculine and feminine within. So when you let yourself be treated by this individual the way that you did, it created that break, or the imbalance, so to speak. And now the universe is just asking for you to sit down, reassess the pieces and see where that break happened, which has caused this imbalance within and has led you to acting more from your masculine self and not really a lot from your feminine side. We have both the energies within us, masculine and feminine. So when we speak about that apology that is owed to you, it may or may not come. That is irrelevant right now, because we are focusing on the self side of it. But the important part is you trying to at least get yourself to that stage, or more so, get yourself back to that stage of balance, the Lovers, balance between both the energies within. What ended and all the world, that cycle is over. What has ended is over. What has ended is over. It means that pattern was here also to teach you, or more so be like a test about the balance within 555, if that makes sense. It's like I know here where I'm going with this, but when I'm trying to speak, I'm at a loss of words. But that's also speaking about your energy, where there is so much of that masculine energy that the feminine side has to take a second to even come out and feel listened to. So again, the only one suggestion that I would give also would be this, that have that sit down where you're imagining that other person is sitting in front of you, and you are having a conversation, because there would be no point in literally having that conversation with that other person. It would lead nowhere. We are only doing this exercise so you get back in harmony, you go back to being that balanced version of yourself, and have a slightly different perspective. Because when you sit down and have even that imaginary conversation, you will see things in a new perspective. So I won't elaborate this anymore. Just try that exercise. Yeah.